Many websites struggle because they lack a solid SEO reporting system. In this video, I'll help you create SEO reports that drive results and match your business goals. An SEO report is a document or presentation that compiles data and analyzes a website's performance. It will detail key aspects such as current rankings, organic traffic, click-through rates, and the website backlink profile. When done correctly, this report will also highlight areas where it's doing well and areas that need improvement. The SEO report, no matter the cadence at which it is performed, is an excellent snapshot of a website's organic performance and visibility at that time. When it comes to your SEO reports, we recommend following a monthly cadence, which has many benefits. Completely monthly SEO reports allows you to track the website's performance over time. By consistently monitoring data, you can identify trends and patterns that can be used to improve your strategy. For example, if you notice content decay, it may indicate that you need to refresh the content. Or if you see an increase after an update, then you are in a good position to suggest that what was done was successful and you can keep doing this across other areas of the site. Monthly SEO reporting also provides a structure to track the site's key metrics such as traffic, rankings, backlinks, and user engagement. This consistent reporting timeline makes it much easier to gauge the impact of your work and adjust your strategies and tactics accordingly. Monthly reporting is also a good period to track competitors. Tools like Ahrefs and Semrush are crucial for tracking competitors' ranking, backlinks, and content updates. These reports allow you to monitor shifts in your competitors' tactics, what keywords they are targeting, and find new backlink opportunities for your site. This constant monitoring allows you to benchmark your performance against theirs and modify your SEO strategies to either capitalize on gaps in their performance or see their approaches that work and take advantage of this yourself. Keeping an eye on the technical performance of your site is another benefit of having a monthly SEO report. Using crawling tools like Screaming Frog or Sitebull can help you by automating the process of finding technical issues like broken links, improper redirect, pages that are slow to load, and problems with your sitemap or robots.txt files. Adding these findings to your monthly SEO reports allows you to easily track improvements, prioritize fixes based on their impact, and ensure that technical SEO remains a focus. Checking the return on investment is another role of a good SEO report to see a data-driven snapshot of how the work translates into actual business outcomes. These reports should include your business KPIs and conversion rates, as well as the costs associated with implementing SEO strategies. This regular analysis allows you to adjust your strategy to focus on high-performing areas and reduce spending on less effective ones. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Our goal at SEOTesting is to save you time so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Now, back to the video. Your monthly SEO report will depend on what you are required to report on, what industry you are in, and what KPIs you have as an SEO team. But some things remain the same across industries and teams. All good SEO reports have information on the KPIs the SEO team is working towards. For some businesses, this will focus on metrics like organic traffic, number of website leads, keyword rankings, and organic CTR. For other businesses, there may be more nuance to this. Some SEO teams may need to include conversion rates, especially if they are an e-commerce business, or report on traffic from a specific section of visitors, such as mobile traffic. Rankings is another common metric. Every business has keywords that they are actively targeting. For some, the keywords may be at the top of the funnel, and others may put a lot of time, money, and energy into ranking for keywords at the bottom. Whatever the target area of the funnel, your SEO report must show how you are doing with these keywords. Traffic sources are another common metric to include. Traffic from different sources in a monthly SEO report is essential because it provides a comprehensive overview of a website's overall performance and the effectiveness of various marketing strategies. You can argue that the SEO team shouldn't focus on traffic from different sources, But by analyzing traffic from direct visits, referrals, social media, and paid advertising, you can understand how different channels contribute to the site's visibility and business. Additionally, understanding the distribution of traffic sources helps you to allocate resources more effectively, optimize strategies across channels, and ensure that all SEO efforts are aligned with broader marketing objectives. No matter what is being said online, backlinks still play a massive role in moving the needle for your site. For many people, they are still the number one thing that helps Google's algorithms establish how authoritative a website is for different search queries, so they are still hugely important. Because of that, it's worth adding a short report on backlinks in all your monthly SEO reports. You can do this in several ways, and we recommend the following: new backlinks acquired, backlinks lost, and information on competitor backlinks. This way, your stakeholders can see what has been working regarding off-page SEO initiatives like backlink acquisition and where your competitors are performing well. This information can be used to modify your approach for the next month, for example. Including a section about a site's SEO health in a report is vital because it provides a snapshot of the site's performance at a foundational level. By regularly evaluating these factors, you can identify and address technical issues, content gaps, and UX problems that may negatively impact your search engine visibility and user engagement. This approach to maintaining SEO health will not only support your website's ability to rank well, but it will also improve the user experience on the site, leading to higher conversions and engagement rates. When it comes to creating a monthly SEO report, we recommend you focus on the following. The first step of any good monthly SEO report is establishing the KPIs you will work towards. These will be different depending on your situation. Marketing agencies working for clients will have different KPIs than in-house employees, who will also have different KPIs than freelancers. To ensure your SEO reporting delivers value, build it around the KPIs that matter for your situation. Once you have chosen all your KPIs, the next step is to select the layout that best suits your reports. You might choose to report in spreadsheet format. This is especially useful for SEOs with a technical and data analysis background who appreciate the ability to analyze raw data. Slide deck formats are ideal for SEO managers and consultants who must communicate their monthly findings to clients or non-technical team members. Slide decks allow the presenter to convert complex information into visually appealing and easy-to-understand summaries. A custom-built report is also an option that will suit SEO specialists or agencies aiming to provide a tailored reporting experience for their clients. This approach allows for branding reports, integrating various data sources, and creating a narrative that closely aligns with a client's goals, needs, and concerns. After deciding on the format, collect data from various sources such as Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and external SEO tools like SEOTesting, Ahrefs, and Semrush. Once collected, you can put all this data into your chosen reporting format and carefully organize it to highlight important metrics and trends. Your recommendations, based on the SEO report's findings, are crucial for moving the SEO strategy forward. Your report will highlight the successful aspects of your efforts and areas that require improvement. Whether you suggest content updates, technical fixes, or a shift in keyword strategy, your recommendations should address the specific challenges and opportunities identified in the report. This approach ensures that your SEO efforts are continually refined and targeted towards achieving the best possible outcomes. Once your improvements have been implemented, we recommend you use SEO testing to set up SEO tests. This will let you measure their impact and validate which changes increase traffic. We have a 14-day free trial for you to test it. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.